Hey everyone, did you know we have 3 YouTube channels? That's right, 3 YouTube channels. First is BLB Adventures. So BLB Adventures, you can see, we got real Monster Jam highlights. We have the boys and myself playing with Monster Jam toys. And of course, you got BeamNG crashes, Monster Jam madness, all kinds of Monster Jam gaming. Then we have BLB Gamer. So with BLB Gamer, you can see we have Fortnite videos. We have other gameplay videos. We have BeamNG. We have Monster Jam. But it's all gamers. So make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications. Next, we have is BLB Adventures family. So that is us, the family. We have mystery wheel challenges. We have tide pool adventures. We have us just on vacation. Make sure you smash the like button, turn on all notifications. All right, well, back to enjoying your video. up, everyone? Welcome to BLB Gamer. It's your main man over here. We're getting this started. We got BeamNG Freestyle and some BeamNG crashes. Gravedigger is gonna kick it off. We're in the BeamNG Freestyle arena. Some good air right there. Look at the details on Gravedigger. I mean, Gravedigger looks absolutely phenomenal. The graphics in BeamNG, absolutely amazing. We're not ready to kind of go off the backflip ramp, but we're gonna try to thrash it up. We are trying to rev it up like Gravedigger does. We're keeping this realistic, yo. We're keeping this realistic. Hey, we need to get this channel going. I need y'all to subscribe, smash the like button, watch the video in full, add it to your playlist. We'll remind you again to subscribe right now. Turn on all notifications. We do 2 to 3 videos every week. The more people that view, the more we'll do commentary videos. I have the time. I love hanging out with y'all. Subscribing. What's going on with Gravedigger? Gravedigger is my favorite Monster Jam truck. So you've seen me. We've done some commentary videos on our main channel, BLB Adventures. This is our gamer channel. The boys have been working hard doing the Fortnite videos. I do the BeamNG videos. And yeah, we need to get this channel over 10,000 subscribers. We used to do 1 million views a month, and we need to get that back going again. We need the momentum. Here we go. Ah, there goes the crash into the wall. Dude, we got 3 tires. We just did a 3/4 black Phillip on 3 tires. Look at that one last tire. I mean, that is thrash. It is hot today, so we gotta stay hydrated. I got my HEB mineral water, so tasty. This is one of my favorite monster trucks. It is Bad Money, the Gambler. You can see in the back it says Slinger. This car is designed after like good old fashioned Western United States back in the day. The gambling, the slingers, Kenny Rogers. You got it all. You got it all. So we got Bad Money. We got some sick air. Check out that sick air. This is based off of the Bad Company monster truck. Dude, check out that save. I mean, we totally have thrashed the front axle. I mean, the front axle is absolutely destroyed. Let's go hit that RB. Dude! Can we save it? Can we save it? We're trying. I mean, we burnt that engine up. You can see the smoke coming out of the monster truck right now. We absolutely throttled that engine. I'm working hard for the save. The whole front axle is destroyed. We got rotated out. I mean, you can see the bar flailing right there. You might as well try to crash it in the wall. That's what we're trying to do right now. We're trying to crash it into the wall. Oh, that was sweet. I thought we'd get a better crash in the wall. Maybe not this time. And what? We saved it! We saved it! I didn't think we had a chance. Did you see that car go flying? Can we save it again? Yeah, we're rotating it around. Stick a fork in his side. Alright, we're in the mountain. Let's thrash some cop cars! Let's thrash those cop cars! We thrashed up the cop cars. We got Brutus. Brutus looks fierce today. I see you, car. I see you. We're gonna go after you. We're gonna try to run you over. We're gonna cut the corner. Alright, smash the like button right now. You see the icon? We're gonna go off-roading. We're going down the mountain. We are going down the mountain. Oh, dude. Did you see that front flip right there? That was crazy. It did a little refresh in the middle of the video. I was trying to do something crazy with the record, but it didn't really work. It did a refresh. Oh, there goes the cop. We're rotating around the mountain. We are getting thrashed. We're getting thrashed down the mountain. All right, we'll zoom a little closer in a second. It's a really cool long view. Like, we're about to cross over the road again. And we're still going! We're still going strong! Dude, you cannot crash us on this mountain. Oh, look at that air. First person air. Oh yeah. There goes one tire. Going into the tree. There goes another tire. I spoke too soon. I said, we're not gonna get thrashed. All right, back to freestyle with Max D. Max D is the best. Maximum Destruction. This is Max D's Tom Mentz last year. Driving Max D, he's retiring. So we gotta go out and bang. Check out that side wheelie. That was a pretty dope side wheelie action. We are in Texas. It is freaking hot today. I have the fan going. I'm ready to jump in the pool. It is really, really, really hot right now. We're working hard. We're getting our video done. Max D trying to get some air with the crash. Go Max D, go Max D, go. Go Max D, go Max D, go. Go Max D, go Max D, go. That was a good crash. All right. We've absolutely destroyed the back axle. I mean, you can see the monster truck right now. It is really, really, really hard to drive. But we got the RV. We throttled that RV, which was cool. I mean, check out the flag. It's like wrapped around the pole. I'm trying to get speed. I'm just trying to crash into things right now. I'm like just going full throttle, trying to crash into things. Can't do it. There we go. I mean, that wasn't full speed. We wanted to smash that monster truck. All right, let's go over a flip backwards. We missed. All right, let's go forward. I mean, you can see we're going 30 miles per hour. 45. All right, there goes a little bit of air. There goes a little bit of air. Right into the wall. And we done so. We are done. All right, last freestyle. Zombie. You know I love doing the zombie arms. You know I love doing the zombie arms. We're getting going. Dude, look at those eyes. They are glowing. Zombie is fierce. Zombie is so fierce. All right, nice little sky wheelie action. As I'm commenting you guys, I'm staring at the pool and the water looks absolutely amazing. I know it's refreshing. It's nice and cold. All spring long, it's been gray. Lots of rain out here. Now we went from gray and rainy to like extremely hot. Like that. And that's how we roll in Texas in the summertime. It is blazing, blazing hot. It gets like constantly 95 to 105 every single day. For international people, Celsius, it's like 37 to like 43 Celsius every day. It is blazing, blazing hot. But we love it. We represent our state. Lone Star, if you're watching, we're down south from you. I know you're up north. We're central Texas. We represent our state. HEB, buddy. I see you. For all of our international fans, thank you so much for watching. Remember, we need full views. Smash the like button, subscribe, turn on all notifications. Subscribe to all three of our channels. BLB Gamer, our gamer channel. BLB Adventures, our main channel. BLB Adventures Family. So you can see more of us doing fun things as a family. Check out later this year. We're gonna have some really cool stuff coming out on BLB Adventures Family. We've done some mystery wheel challenges with the boys' friends. We got some more vacation videos. We got some more Tycool adventures. We got some really cool things. All right, we're gonna wrap it up with Afterlife. We're gonna go down the mountain one last time and we're gonna close out this video. So we're getting Afterlife going. Get that engine started. Trying to listen. Wow, Afterlife doesn't really have the trademark really Monster Jam monster truck sounds. It's like an electric monster truck. Who would have ever thought? This is like a Tesla of monster trucks. It is an electric monster truck right now. So we're going down the mountain. There is no police cars because we thrashed them all. So we're just gonna go off-roading and we're gonna thrash this monster truck. Do we make it off the mountain to the beach, or do we crash into the mountain? Do we crash into trees? Who knows? We got like 15 seconds left in this video. As always, we really appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching this in full, hanging out with me today. We're almost there. We got to the beach! We got to the beach!